Okay, so we're really excited to walk you through the class attendance check-in feature. In order to enable this feature, you need to enable your kiosk. So what is your kiosk? Your kiosk is your public-facing software you have for your gym that enables gym members to check in at the gym for classes. It allows them to book classes, etc. So in order to enable this feature, you will need to go into your side panel here and click on location. And then you will need to click on settings. You will now see right here in this area a kiosk setup option. Click here. And what you'll need to do is set up your 6-digit code, which we've already set ours up here. And it'll let you know if you need to adjust the code to match our password specifications. And then you'll hit Save Settings. Now, you will be able to click on this link to then access your kiosk. But first, I am going to show you how to set up your class schedule because you'll need to have classes in there in order to view them in the kiosk. So in order to set up your class schedule, you are going to, again, go to location in your side panel here. And you'll scroll down to where it says classes. Now what you'll want to do is you'll want to double click on this section that you want to add classes for. So I'm going to double click here and I'm going to call this class 710. And then I'm going to start it at 9:30 a.m. on the 7th of August and at 10:30 a.m. Gotta make sure you're doing it on the right date. I'm gonna repeat this to be daily. And I'm not gonna have it end. I'm gonna have the capacity be for 5. And I'm going to assign this to Antonio and hit save. Okay, so you'll see that it starts on the date that I selected and it continues daily. And then what I can do now is add any other classes that I want to add to the calendar. But now I'm going to show you where you can view your class schedule. So again, you'll go back to location. You'll hit settings. And then you'll go down to kiosk setup. Click on your kiosk link. And you'll want to remember what your password was right here. So you'll want to copy that. Paste it into your login here. And now you can see the class that I just added, as well as additional classes that are available. And so this is a great way for you to see the available classes. You can click on the class. You can add a contact to the class if you would like. And it will automatically confirm them when you add them this way. Okay, so that is how you are able to view your class schedule and add someone to a class. Now, what I'm going to also show you is that you can see how someone can view their classes and register for classes as a member. So they will need to log in to their ilive.fit section and they can go to classes and registration. And they can now see all of their classes here that they have available. So if you look at this one here, would you like to register in this class? It starts on August 7th, 2020 at 9:30. Yes, I do. Okay, that was successful. Now, say I want to get out of that class, I just have to hit it again and hit yes, I would like to cancel that class. So again, I'm going to go back in and register for this class. And you can see the classes listed here in this view, and then you can see the options down here. These are the classes that I have registered for, and these are the available classes. Say I want to register for class number 1. All right, so now I'm all registered for these classes. So now if I go back from the gym view, I can see here, double click on class number 1, I can see here that Christian is registered for this class, but hasn't been confirmed, which means they have not checked in. So when they come into the gym and they want to check in, they will pull up this page, and all they will need to do is click on their profile here, and it changes to confirmed to check in for that class. So it's very easy to view the classes available on the member side to register for it, and then when they come in to check in at the gym. Now, you can also view the classes that a contact is in by going to their profile. And you can see here that now there is a section that is called Classes Report. And you can actually see the lifetime attendance average. You can see that here. You can also scroll down and see the classes that they have registered for, the date, and whether or not they attended or they booked it, and what their status is if they're in the waiting queue because they haven't checked in. So this is a really great view when you want to look at a report of how an individual is using the classes at the gym.